up, online shoppers? If you do a lot of travel, you know that the things we want the most are the creature comforts. And this is a travel blanket and pillow from BedElite for planes, trains, and automobile travel. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Now, first of all, wow, this is super, super soft. It's a beautiful 3D jacquard material, and this is your travel pillow. You've got the pillow, super nice and soft. It's got this really great little pocket on the back that makes it easy to travel with you. You can slide it right on top of your luggage, just like that. It also has a little clip, and all you have to do is clip it onto your travel bag so that as you travel, it's connected there at your convenience. Now let's open it up and see how awesome it is. What I love about this is how versatile this little thing is. The blanket itself comes in this little pouch, which can double as a carrying case for something if you need it for that. Put it right there. Now let's look at the blanket. It is 65 by 40 inches. So there's your width, and here is your length. Long enough and cozy enough to get under and be cozy, or to share with a friend. Now let's take a look at the material. There is a close-up of this gorgeous blanket. Soft, luxurious, warm. The fleece has all these little 3D dimensional pockets in it, which actually helps to trap the heat and keep you warm and cozy. The convenience of it means that you can use it as a blanket or put it in the pouch as a travel pillow, so you're never caught without the essentials, creature comforts of travel. I love the size of this blanket, and all I have to do is just get cozy inside. It's soft, it's warm, and it washes really well too. Of course, you can also use it on your couch and be cozy, but this is a must-have travel essential for any journey you go on. If you travel, this is your own. It's personal. You don't have to rely on the airlines, and you know if you've got a pillow or a blanket, it's right there at your fingertips. If you are looking for an awesome travel companion, that creature comfort that helps make traveling more comfortable, this is the BedElite Travel Pillow and Blanket, and it is definitely a family favorite at my house.